Hi, wanna know how to fix overheating issue on this Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra? Follow these steps. And firstly, don't forget to close all of your recently opened applications. For that, tap on the three lines on the bottom of the screen, and now you can either swipe up from each of the app, or you can use this button to close all at once. Great! Now we can open settings, go in the connections, and here disable Wi-Fi and Bluetooth if you don't use them at this moment, because it will help to avoid overheating. Now, it's normal for your phone to heat up while charging, but if you notice overheating, unplug the charger and let the phone cool down for a second. So now we can also go in the display tab, and here if you see that extra brightness is enabled, disable it by tapping on the switcher, and after that you can turn on the adaptive brightness so that the phone automatically adjusts the brightness according to the light. Now also we can go in the display timeout section, here it is, and here we need to just switch to the smallest amount of time, 15 seconds. Great, and also in the display section, switch to the dark section. As a next step, we can enable power saving mode. For that, you can just swipe 2 times from the upper right corner to trigger the control center, and now you will see this icon for power saving mode, and to enable it, simply tap on it so it will light up white like that. You can also press and hold it and see its settings, and here you will be able to change some of the settings. And also, we can disable fast charging and fast wireless charging to avoid overheating. For that, let's just use the search bar to type in fast charging, and now disable it. Here, disable super fast and fast wireless charging. Great. And also avoid using your phone in direct sunlight, especially in hot weather. This can make your phone really hot. This is really basic advice, but it is helpful. And if you have a case on your phone, make sure it's not made of a dense material that can trap heat. And that was all for now. I hope this advice has helped, and thank you for watching.